Hello, should I use candlestick charts or line charts? Well, I think whichever works for you. I like I like to use candlestick chart, but the swing trading platform, the platform you are using to analyze the chart should be able to have both for you to choose from. So yeah, you can have. Let's take an example here of PGR to analyze PGR. And the question I like to ask myself when I'm analyzing a stock that I don't have in my portfolio yet, I have not purchased yet, is if it's ready for me to buy. And when I'm looking at PGR, it is now. Why? Because I like to buy at this value line, but right now it's going down, but it has now touched base with it yet. So it's pulling back, coming from the top of the mountain that he claimed for the past 2 years, is pulling back from there, going down, making lower lows. If you try to connect the bottom of the chart, it's going to be downward going toward the price. So it's pulling back from the top of the mountain, cross that support line that is supporting the upside wall of the mountain, and now you can see the mountain a little bit more clear as it's making the right side of the mountain going downward. So I will say it's going toward the valley line, but it's not there yet. So therefore it's not a buy for me. And this is a candlestick using daily chart. Every single bar is a daily, is 1 day. Like yesterday the price went up. The price at the end of the day was higher than the price in the morning when the markets open. So I like candlestick chart because I can see those pullbacks, which are the red bar, when the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the markets open. The price pulled back. So I can see the days that the price pulled back and the days that the price went up. So, and therefore I like this, candlestick bar. So if we go and we try to move from candle to line, we can see the pullback as well in the red, and then we can see when it's green, like when it's going up as well. So it's pretty much showing us those as well, but you cannot really see the daily. Like you may not know how many days is this drop here necessarily, because it's one line instead of multiple different ones to show you for specific day, for instance. So if we zoom back, we can take a look at it. It's still showing us the shape of the chart, showing us that it's going down. It's cleaner looking, easier for you to look at, and depending on the strategy you are using, you might like this, and this could work for my long option and swing trading strategy as well, since I like to buy at the support line passing by the valley of the mountain. When it touch base with it, I can buy. Let's go back. But there are different type of chart types that you can choose from, and they have this one as well that some use and is reflecting the day, 1 day. Every single bar is 1 day time frame, showing you those limits as well, like where the price open in the morning and close in the evening and so forth. So you just have to choose, which type of chart you like. And I just prefer the candlestick, as I can count the day, and it could be because in 2024, using short upturn and swing trading strategy, buying and selling every few days, yeah, those days matters to me. But as for long upturn and swing trading strategy, the precision is more minimized, so therefore it may not be relevant. But I still like the candlestick bar, because when I purchase stocks, I put arrows where I purchase and I put arrows upside down where I sold. And that tells me, when I put my mouse there, it tells me the day I purchase it. I have the price, I have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and I have the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And I like to put my arrows facing upward where I purchase. The day I purchase it, it may not show the price, but it will show where I purchased it, the day I purchased it. And I think with the candlestick bar, it works well for me. It can still show me the day here, but because everything is together, it may not be precise. But that's just my opinion on that. But other than that, you can just see, what works for you, what you like, and choose one. If it's working for you, you can just go with it. Let's see if I'll be able to find the one that I was using before. I don't really see the difference between the two, and I'll just keep it on the candle. So thank you so much for watching. When it comes to these stocks, it's going down, but it's not ready yet for us to buy. And you can try different type of chart style that the platform you are using to analyze the chart has available, and try them to see which one you like. And as you start using it with the strategy you are using, you can see if is working with the strategy you are using, and try few to see which one you prefer or you are comfortable or is more useful for you. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. And maybe based on the strategy you are using, maybe one style might work better than the other. It's a possibility as well. As for my strategy, more so because I've been using that candlestick bar chart for for more than a year. I'm used to it. I just like it better. But I have to say the learning one is less busy as well. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your accounts from there. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend in the description of this video. And we do have other swing trading related playlists as well. Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading.